help wherever you are. No driving, parking, or sitting in a waiting room, because ugh, who likes to sit in a waiting room, okay? So this ain't no somebody off the street, okay? Well, I like the sound of that, kittens, let me just say. Hey kittens, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing 5 therapy apps for online counseling, so be sure to keep watching and let's get started. Just a quick FYI kittens, for these different therapy apps that I'm sharing with you all, you do have to create an account in order to start meeting with a therapist. Also, the cost does vary for each app that I'm sharing with you guys. However, the first therapy app that I wanted to share with you guys is called 7 Cups Online Therapy. So when you open up the 7 Cups app, it says, "Welcome to 7 Cups, talk to caring listeners for free emotional support." It also says, "Make friends with people who understand you. You can find support and friendship in chat rooms and forums for depression, anxiety, relationships, LGBTQ+, and much more." And then they also say you can get professional help from an online therapist. You can get ongoing support and guidance from a licensed therapist when you sign up for online therapy. Get started and find support today. It says create an account to chat with the listener, explore our support chat rooms and forums, or connect with a therapist. So they give you the option to actually either use the different forums and the different chat rooms when you can connect with other people for a sense of community, or you can actually meet with a licensed therapist online. So the cost for 7 Cups Online Therapy is $150 per month. Also, the therapists are available Monday through Friday, so please try to keep that in mind if you're trying to schedule something with a licensed therapist on the 7 Cups app. So the second app that I wanted to share with you guys is called Pride Counseling. So within Pride Counseling, it says it's a professional online counseling for the LGBTQ community. Get matched to a licensed therapist, communicate via phone, video, and messaging. So once you read that part of the app, it opens up and it has you ask specific questions to help match you with the right counselor. So they ask things such as, how do you identify? So female, male, non-binary. They ask your pronouns. What is your orientation? How old are you? I know y'all, the age question can be a little off-putting, I understand. Yeah, and then they ask your relationship status. So again, just different questions just to ensure that they match you with the right counselor. So once you finish going through the questionnaire, they ask you to create a private account. So you put in your name, your email, you confirm it, create a password. So you'll be able to actually have access to meeting with a therapist that you match up with. So yes, so again, you create your account. And then once you do that, you will have a therapist actually reach out to you via email. I actually had one reach out to me via email, and I tried to respond, but it wouldn't let me since I didn't fully accept counseling. So it's pretty quick as well. So I would say their turnaround time and matching you with a licensed therapist and having them actually email you is very quick. So that's really nice about Pride Counseling. Also, the cost for Pride Counseling does vary. However, typically it is $75 per week. So again, you guys can check out their app, or you can go to their website to get more information about Pride Counseling. So the third app that I wanted to share with you guys is called Regain. So Regain is actually for couples therapy. However, they do offer different counseling services, and then the cost for Regain ranges from $80 to $100 per week, and you are billed every 4 weeks. So basically it's one time a month. However, once you open up the Regain app, it asks you to get started, and then it asks if you want couples counseling, individual, or if you're not sure if you want to add someone else in to the counseling with you. So once it asks you that and you answer that question, they ask what are the benefits you're looking to achieve. So you can select as many as you want from the list that they give you. So things like understanding my partner better, understanding myself better. So once you go through that, they also ask more screening questions. They ask your gender, if you prefer to work with a male or female counselor, if you want an older, younger counselor, if you want a more liberal or conservative, if you want someone who's a religious Christian counselor. They ask the kind of relationship. So again, different screening questions just to ensure that they are matching you with the right therapist. After that, they want you to create a private account. You can either continue with Facebook or you can continue with Google if you feel more comfortable doing that. So if you're interested in couples counseling, or if you even just want to do individual counseling, if you're not ready to bring your partner in yet, it is completely fine to go ahead ahead and try out Regain. So the next app that I wanted to share with you guys is called Betterhelp. And no, y'all, this video ain't sponsored. So I'm sure most of you guys may be familiar with Betterhelp. However, in case you're not, once you open up the Betterhelp app, it says help from a professional, licensed board accredited therapist, all PhD or masters with counseling certification and years of experience. So this ain't no somebody off the street, okay? These actually licensed professionals that are here to help you through this app. So they also have on here help that is right for you, a wide variety of specialties and counseling styles. Get matched to a counselor that fits your needs. So next it says help that matters. Write to your counselor, get feedback, advice, and guidance. Work together to make a positive change. Well, I like the sound of that, kittens, let me just say. Next, they have help whenever you need, as often as you want and whenever you like. Communicate with your counselor on your own time and at your own pace. Help wherever you are, no driving, parking, or sitting in a waiting room, because who likes to sit in a waiting room, okay? I mean, really. Connect with your counselor from your home, your office, or on the road. They also say help that is confidential. Your privacy is protected with HIPAA compliant secured system and banking grade encryption. Stay anonymous and discreet. And it's help that you can afford. Pay a low flat fee for unlimited counseling with your counselor. Counseling doesn't have to be expensive. Also, just to let you guys know, for the Betterhelp app, they do charge about $80 to $100 per week, and you're billed every 4 weeks or once a month, much like the Regain app that I told you guys about earlier. So that was just a little bit of information about the Betterhelp online counseling app if you guys wanted to create an account and meet with a therapist from their app. So kittens, before we get into this next app, I want you guys to comment below if you think you would prefer online therapy or if you would prefer face-to-face therapy. So the next app that I wanted to share with you guys is called Talkspace. So once you open up their app, it says effective and convenient therapy. 92% of clinical study participants reported improvement in as little as 2 months on their toughest problems. So it also says tools to maximize your potential. Our licensed therapists will give you tools to help you manage your mental well-being and make daily improvements. So they also mention on here, they'll help you with things such as happiness, compassion, passion, self-awareness, balance, productivity, and more. No appointments are required. They say send text, audio, and video messages from anywhere at any time. Guaranteed daily responses 5 days per week. And then they also say get matched today. With thousands of therapists to choose from, will help you find the right therapist for your needs. So they also include a get started button at the bottom, or if you already have signed up, they have a login link. So you can begin to create an account and start using Talkspace if you so decide to. So they do offer a variety of different therapies if you're interested. They also accept insurance, so they have a partner list if you want to check them out on their website to see if you qualify. So yes, kittens, again, those are 5 therapy apps that you guys can think about if you guys want to try them for online counseling as opposed to face-to-face counseling. I really hope that this shed light on different services that are available to help your mental health if you choose to go the therapy app route. So thank you guys so much, kittens, for watching. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, please be sure to do so below, and I will see you guys next week. I love you, kittens. Adios.